Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you all watching me again today. My name is Joshua Mba, and here is my workspace. Now today I'm about to share something exciting with you. Last time in my previous video I talked about system.io and how you can use it to save hundreds of dollars every month if you are trying to sell out or launch your product or service online. So at an average, you want to spend a lot of money, like I mentioned in that video, trying to pay for email marketing platforms, webinar platforms, XYZ platforms, just to get things done, So at an average, you're going to spend, I did the math for about $300. I'll be sharing something so exciting and something that I know will be of massive help to you all. As an internet entrepreneur that have consistently made sales, selling different kind of products online, today I just want to share with you how you can save over $300+ every month in the money you're going to spend trying to sell out your products online. So you're going to buy a domain, buy hosting, buy different of these platforms, and pay for your email marketing platform, pay for your video hosting platform, and all of these things. So I want to show you how you can save over $300 at an average. So let's say you choose a platform where you're going to set up your funnel, and then you choose to use WordPress and then install a Thrive Architect or maybe any page builder, Elementor. You're going to pay for domain, you're going to pay for hosting, and then you have to pay for the pro versions of these two, and then you have to install them on your site and then start building your page. So let's say you are trying to collect leads. If you're using WordPress, you will definitely need to link it up with a web marketing platform, or you can use GetResponse or maybe BetSend or any other email marketing platform. At an average, you'll be paying like $19 to $20 at an average, depending on the number of contacts you have or leads you have every month, just to keep going. And if you collect those leads, you really want to integrate a payment system for your upsells and downsells. You will need, if you're using WordPress, because definitely Elementor doesn't give you opportunity to upsell directly and all of those stuff, you need an extra plugin called Catflow. Now Catflow is around, probably at an average of $200. You're going to pay for it in a year or even more. I'm not sure of the price now, but something around that price range. So if you're going to spend a lot of money paying for Catflow for every year you're going to use it, that's another expenses. You plug it back, install it back on your WordPress website, and you want to integrate it, connect it, and all of those stuff. It's a hell of work to do. I can imagine the pain I was going through before now. Or maybe you want to use ClickFunnels. You get on board with ClickFunnels, which is averagely $100 every month to access their utilities, and you have to plug again to an email marketing platform and then use some external tools to use. So you're averagely going to spend at least, at an average, give or take $300 every month just to get your product to the faces of your dream customers. And the most funny part, in quotes, of all of these things is that you are consistently going to spend time trying to integrate different platforms, different tools together in one place, just to ensure that you achieve what you want to achieve. And the funny thing is that for newbies or for starters who are new to the ecosystem, it's going to be a lot of struggle for you to get through with these things. So in today's video, I want to share with you some of the exciting things and some of the exciting platforms. In fact, one exciting platform that I've started using and putting to right now that is a massive game changer for me and for my students who have taken this offer. So there is a platform called system.io, an amazing platform that decided to bring everything you ever need to sell any kind of product. You want to launch a physical product or a digital product, all in one place. If you want to focus on content creation to optimize your product, all in one place. So that means you can blog, you can set up your funnels, build up your upsells, have recurring webinars. Right now, if for those who use WordPress to set up this stuff, or maybe something that has to do with WordPress or something that looks like it, you know that you have to pay another platform to give you opportunity to do a recurring webinar. You know what we call evergreen webinar. For those who are selling on digital products, you understand more. You pay a lot of money for that. Well, you can do your recurring webinar and send out your emails as thousands. If you want to get 1 million email leads, it's fine. You can just do it all from this singular platform. You can do a lot more. Everything you ever need, from email marketing, webinars, leads, content, you want to share out, build your funnels, your upsell, your payment gateways, whatever you want to do. In fact, they have an amazing page builder crazy, like funnel builder, amazing funnel builder, super amazing funnel builder. And I've ported to it, and it's so exciting right now that I want you to start using it immediately. And the amazing thing is that they have a free plan. You are going to get all of these things for free, lifetime. You don't need your credit card, you're going to get free for a lifetime. But if you then want to, let's say you have 15,000 email lists, you're not going to spend. In fact, their enterprise version is not up to $50. Their enterprise version, I'll be showing you, it's not up to $100. Their enterprise, where you have everything to the fullest, is not up to $100. Rather, it's not up to $100. I'll be showing you guys on the screen right now. You see. So I'll be heading over to my PC now. In this video, I'm not just going to show you more about this platform. I'm also going to show you how you can use this platform to set up a simple funnel. So I'll be doing a demonstration on how to set up a funnel using this platform. It's super amazing what we are going to build out right now. You're going to enjoy it. I'll be showing you that right now. I'll be walking through it from beginning to the end. So make sure you watch this video to the very end, and I will show you how to build out an amazing funnel using system.io. You're going to look at how to build a lead funnel. Is that okay? That's good. Let's hop onto my computer where I'll show you how to do this. See you. All right, so we are on my PC right now. So I want to show you guys how to create. First of all, I'm going to be doing a lot of videos around system.io. It's something new, and a lot of persons are just onboarding on it. You might not see a lot of videos on this platform right now, but it is my responsibility right now to walk you guys through how you're going to use this and get the best results. Like I said, it's one of the best platforms right now, and to be honest, I really recommend it for everybody. So there's a link under this video. It's actually my link. Use that link to sign up, and then you have access to all of the free offers. There are plenty free offers on the platform. So the free account, just a quick recap before I continue. The free section, the free premium account. Let me show you all. Just like all the premium account, you get 1,000 catalysts, unlimited, everything unlimited, and then you will not get a customizable domain. So if you want to customize your domain, you then have to upgrade. So I will recommend you all to upgrade to the $27 per month. If you check it at the end of the day, you are spending less, because with $27 you get free email marketing of up to 5,000 contacts, which is outrageously so affordable. 5,000. I don't want to match up with brands, but if you're using Aweber, right, and you have up to 5,000 email lists, you're going to be paying an average of $50. I want you to do the math every month. So with this, you're already covering your email list. You can build out sales funnel up to 10 sales funnels and have more than sales funnels, 50 sales funnels step. And you have 5 membership sites for those who have courses and programs they want to put up in memberships. You have it free, all structured. This is all bothering with WordPress and all of those stuff and those other platforms you might be using. It's cool, man. Free storage. Your storage is unlimited. There's nothing like it. You have to increase your hosting, increase your XYZ, whatever it is. You automate your rules, and workflow is 5, and do up 10 tasks. Email campaign. Have 10 different email campaigns, 10 different, so you can automate 10 different email campaigns, which is outrageously super I don't even know the word. Like this is so awesome, like the best offer on the planet right now. I can literally say this. Okay, so you have you can even include a deadline funnels, which is also available in freemium. But the amazing thing is that you have this custom domain, and then all up to 5,000 contact list. So I'll recommend you guys upgrade to the startup account. Is going to be very helpful for you. If I try it for the first month and you see for yourself, just pay for it for the first month. It's super amazing, right? You can start it for free. If you have an account already, just upgrade to $7 account, right? It's super amazing. If you want to do webinar, if you have an enterprise, all of those stuff. If you want outrageous whatever, just come around, look at these things, and then stick to the particular package. But at least start up with the startup pack. It's very helpful for you. Right? So let's go back. So once you log into your account, I'm going to show you how to create your first funnel. Right? We'll be trying it together right now. This will definitely be the first time I'm going to build out a full lead funnel on system.io, right? The first time on this platform is going to be the first time, and then I want to do it together with you all. So you might want to really watch this video carefully to the end, but make sure you like this video and subscribe and share the video. Let many more persons see this opportunity and grab on it to save them a lot of money when they are trying to sell out their product or course or program online, right? Yeah, let's go. So you just have to come to the funnel section, right? Oh, very quickly, for those who want to upgrade their account, you always see this upgrade your account feature here. Click on it and upgrade to any package, but make sure you start with the startup pack, right? Click on the funnels. Once you click on the funnels, you can then create a funnel. Well, I'm going to start from scratch. Let's click on create. And then they're going to ask us a couple of questions just to help them know. Do you want to run an evergreen webinar, a custom funnel from scratch, build an audience, which is basically our lead funnel? We want to sell a product straight up. We all decide what we want to do, right? So I'm just going to type in lead funnel. Yeah, so now I have my lead funnel in, then I will create. Oops, sorry, didn't choose. Yeah, we're good. So basically, system.io knows that we are trying to collect emails, so they're going to show us the squeeze page and then the thank you page. We can decide to add more steps by clicking on the create steps, right? But let's say, what do we want to say? I really don't have a product in my mind before I started recording this video, so I'm just going to come up with something cool. But the amazing thing is that on the squeeze page, we have templates that system.io have already provided, many of these templates, and you can literally build your own from scratch, right? You all that follow me online, you know that I like building my stuff from scratch, right? So, but today I just for the sake of those who don't like building from scratch, there is actually built out pages for you to work with. So we are going to start by using the available templates on stem.io, and then we'll end up tweaking it a little bit. So my style of play, and we're going to pull out this. You can preview it. You can literally preview how it looks. This is how it's going to look like, right? Which is super amazing. I like this effect. This is something you don't literally get if you're going to use the platform that seems to look very close to what System IO has. Is ClickFunnels, but ClickFunnels is $100 per month, right? And in that $100, you don't get a lot of the features that you get for free on stuff. Email marketing completely automated for you. You literally don't get it all for free. You don't get record a lot of these free add-ons that IO has for a very relatively cheaper. In fact, with their freemium, they are literally getting a lot of things that you'll be paying for when you're using ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels doesn't have a freemium. I just 14 days trial, but in this one you have a lifetime premium on account, which is amazing. So instead of using ClickFunnels, to be honest, based on distance, System.io is the best. Yeah, yeah, I say this. So let's go. Will select this, and then I can decide to customize it. So I've not done my domain linking for this particular test account. This is a test account I'm using to teach. My main account is totally off this account. So I have a special account that I use for teaching, and I have my accounts that I use for my business, right? So I don't want to mix up business stuff, so we not mix everything up. So this is speech page, and then we won't change it. Just fine. You can customize this. Let's call it opt. Let's just call it lead, right? So that works fine, right? Then I'll save it. So, but there are other configurations I might want to embark on. Some of the things we might want to edit in between. Some of the things we want to, touch and touch and touch. So, let's say automation rule. Automation rule is when we want to stop an automation and stop rules that will guide people that will be landing on this page. So in this rule, we can set up once someone visits this page, this is something we want to trigger. We can trigger an event or something. So we can trigger a page event. And then if we do that, we have to add an action to it. Is it subscribe them, add a tag to them, enroll them in a course, send them to webhook, All of these things is something we can add to our automation rule. Then we save. Well, right now, I don't want us to get all complicated. A/B test is when we want to set up two variants of, or maybe three or four variants of our squeeze page and see something, or maybe opt-in page, see the one that will outperform. If you have different copy, maybe different approach to it, you can test it. It's always good to do it A/B test when you're not so sure what will work out for the audience, right? Then start is where you see your stats, basically the start of what you're doing, amount generated, average cost per cart, all of the statistics you need. Sales is sales record of that page. So if you are trying to sell out something on our opt-in page, which of course we're not doing right now, we want to do that. So this other one is expiration date. So if we want this page to expire at a particular date, we just have to set it up here. Once it expires, it will redirect them to the page on that page. So all of these are some of these automations. You can't get it in when you're using WordPress, right? You can't really get it when you're using WordPress and any of those stuff. But this is it's all here for you, man. It's all here. So step configuration, we are done with this, right? Basically, that's what we want. So, but the next thing is to edit the page, right? So these are other configurations you might want to do, right? The next thing is for us to edit the page. But let me walk through some of these things. You can change the template by clicking on this button. You can edit the page right here. You can view or preview the page. Yeah, you've already designed. Then you can save anything you want to save in case you make changes, right? So, but let's just go straight to editing the page, all right? So I'm going to click on this. So it shows me this template, right? I selected the template, it pops up open. I can make a lot of changes right here on this page. And this. So right now, amazing thing is the emails I'll be collecting here, I don't need to send them to another autoresponder. I will just use the autoresponder available right here because everything is just in one place. Like there's nothing again like connect to another world. But I'm going to make this, there's something I'm going to show us later on. For those who want to integrate payment system, right now there is Stripe, and then there is Paystack. But a lot of people in Africa, probably in Nigeria, and I have some audience in Nigeria who don't have accounts with PayPal or Stripe for some reasons. You can actually integrate Paystack and FlutterWave into your payment gateway if you want to include payments in your whole process. I'll be showing you how to do that subsequently in my coming video. So make sure you subscribe and follow up the next video that I'll be dropping. Okay, that works. Cool. So are you ready to learn the best way to create squeeze page and all of that? So let's say we want to sell out a product. I'm not sure a product we want to sell out. Like I said, I don't have a product in mind, but I'm just going to make changes to these files and then show you how it works, right? So let's say I want to put up my book. I want to say a book or a course or whatever I want to say, or whatever I'm trying to say. It can be a book, can be a guide or a hand, whatever it is. But of course, most likely it's going to be a digital product. A free report, maybe that works. You just change the picture here. So once I click on this, once I click on the object I want to make changes on, you notice that the sidebar here, some of these things change too. I'm sure you all are seeing this, right? Some of these things change too. So but we have to reflect these changes on it. All right. So I can probably copy a file link for the picture. I can then do anything, but I can select the file, paste the URL, whichever one I want to do. So let's upload the file. Images, no images, yes, right? So let's select the file. It's going to take me to my file explorer. You guys will not be seeing that part, but I'm just going to select a picture of something, of a book or something you can release, put up there. Okay. So let me just pick a file. This time I'm going to just pick any file. It's time. That's something cool. Okay. Cool. So I selected a file. It's a picture I want to replace with that one there. So like I said, I didn't plan to build something live. So what I'll be doing is I'll be going live on my YouTube channel one of these days. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notification. And what I'll be doing is I'll be building out the funnel for a product live. I'm building out a funnel for a product live. So that's exactly what I'll be doing. So let's say I want to do this. This is a picture of my product. I wanted to fill in the form. I put my headline. So I'm just going to make random changes, right? This is optimized funnel structure that they use to build out these templates is already optimized. Have your headline, have your subheadline, then have your form, and then have this effect, this animation is super cool. Download your free reports now. Let's say I want to download your ebook. I've made the change, right? So I like the way they also did this, the way they built out their template. Ebook is colored, laser emphasis, right? If you're not if funnel hacker per se, if you're not in my community where I teach funnel sales funnel hacking and how to build our sales funnels, you might really want to take the program. The link is also below this video in the description section where I teach people how to build out amazing funnels. All right. But the structure and the template here, right here, is super optimized and it passes all the possible tests a funnel should pass, a lead and opt-in funnel should follow through, right? So that's super amazing, right? So you put out your text here. Let's say I'm gonna use how to close sales on phone as a case study to adjust some of these things, right? So let's go. Download. Okay. Quickly complete this form to get your copy of the phone closing script to start. Okay, let's just say this is the text I want to put there. I've edited it, right? These forms already, I want their first name and I want their your address email here. You can actually make some changes to this. So I can change the placeholder and just say, um, all right, you can see where I made that change, right? So once you click on any object, it's going to give you opportunity to make any change. So placeholder is the text on the inside, right? Input type is whether it's email or phone number, whatever type of whatever you want to put out there, right? So let's make another extract change. Let's work on the button a little bit. Let's say where we want to send them. So once they click on this, it will send them to the form. It sends the information to the form. We don't want to show it pop up for the form, right? We want to go straight up. So no redirections. We can put a redirection. Once they fill this form, it redirects them to another place. Or we can create in the next step. We can create a next step. So we stage our funnels in steps, right? For those who are taking my sales funnel program, you understand this more. It it arranges your funnel in steps. So once it's done with here, it goes to the next step, goes to the next step. So one of the advantages of structuring it in steps instead of doing a URL redirection is that you can't jump to step two if you've not seen step one. So even if someone has a direct link to it, it will work out. So the person have to go through step one, page one. After he has performed the action there, then you can see page two. So for those who use WordPress, you notice that you just use custom URL, and to a point, someone who gets the other page URL can just keep sharing it, and people will miss out doing the action we want them to carry out on the base page. All right, so on the opt-in page or the landing page. So there are a lot of technicalities to this anyway, right? So we made changes here. We might want to, so I'm going to do one effect right here, like I normally do in my funnels. So let's say in this text area, I want to just color it my favorite color. If you've gone through any of my funnels, you see you're letting me do something like this. I don't know. I just fell in love with that. Just change the text color here to white, and then I'll put, oops. So select the text color, the text rather, and then I'll change to white. Cool. All right. So you already know I'm a big fan of particular font. There's a font I don't miss using. I'm building out my font. It's very amazing font, and I just love it. So I will switch right now to this, and then I'll remove this where you do your bold, italics, underline, then cancel. I'll just remove it from italics, and then I'm good. Are you ready to learn? This is what is there, and then I'll put out every other thing I want to do. So I'm going to save this and we're going to look at it. We're going to try it out, but I need to give it an instruction. Once it's completed, let's do redirection, right? Let's do redirection. If I set a redirection, let's redirect them to our website, to my one of my course areas, right? Let's do it. So I'll just do my HTTP, which is very important. I put my column, I put my forward slash, two forward slash, I put funnel hackers club. So that works, right? Hackers.club. So it works. I likely put a forward slash just in case you know. And that's fine. So this picture, I have this text here, everything is fine. I'm just going to say the best way to close sales fast on the phone. So let's switch again to my favorite phone. Alright, so don't blame me for this. I just love it. We're good, right? Okay, so we can reduce the line height, which is always very important. I like this feature. Reduce the font probably a little bit. That works. This works. And then we're good. And the amazing thing is that the funnels are fully optimized on right view, so it makes it very easy for you to build out. So text here, I really don't know what to write here this night. Ha. So, but let's say we are done. All right, this is our form. It's our lead funnel. We put up everything amazing. I like this. It looks very gorgeous for me. Then I'll click on this icon here to exit this menu, or I can click on this bot icon here to preview. So let's preview it. Da 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 dum. This is our funnel. So this is the preview of our funnel, right? You guys like it? It's cool. I'm just gonna try to fill the form. Of course, my name is Joshua. Then let's try a very wrong. Let's try this. We does well. Since we did everything right, so get reports. Would I even change the title, the name on this button? Woo, yeah. So we filled our very first form on system.io using their lead funnel. So this is super amazing, right? Super cool, straight to the point, and we are ready. So let's go back. Let's go back. So this is our page again, right? And this is how it works. This is how the whole process works. We finally set up our first simple lead funnel. So subsequently, I'll be going live on my channel to show you in depth how to build out funnels from scratch. We're going to be building out amazing things using System.io. To start putting to this platform, make sure you upgrade your account to the startup package, at least the startup package. This is our thank you page. I've not worked on the thank you page, but basically the same process and all of that. So what I'm going to do is in the next video, I'm going to go live on my YouTube channel. Then I'm going to demonstrate some of these things for you all, right? Then, but don't forget, there are some extra features you might want to execute that are strictly on your settings. When it comes to account settings, when it comes to your plan, the plan you're working on right now, I change all of these things like I told you guys. When it comes to your mailing settings, if you have you have set up a special configuration for your emails, the domain of, if you want to link up a SendGrid API, that's if you want to use an external API. SendGrid, or you want to set up an authentication email delivery, whatever you want to do. If you want to set up a double opt-in, sender email, sender name, they give you these features right here, right? You have your membership setting area when you have to choose up your teacher picture, all of those stuff, your payment page information, all of these things are already here. Just set them up by yourself. The sales funnel settings, if you want to put up a tracking code for your funnels, like your Facebook pixel, your Google Analytics code, you do all of that here. You just put them here and it tracks for you. Works perfectly well. Affiliate program settings, if you want to do an affiliate program, you want to share your audience, your affiliates, give them some bonus for promoting your programs. Can just set it up here. Very easy, man. Like it's literally the simplest and easiest. Everything in one place. You don't need a third party for it. Custom domain. If you want to then link up your domain to this place, you can actually do that. So you can customize your login page. Log into your account for those who are using member area. All of these things are super amazing. If you have students who are coming to log into your membership area, you can easily set up all of these things here. It's super amazing. Like super, super, super amazing. You can add a domain, right? So if you upgrade your account, remember you can do that right here. Affiliate commission payout, you want to pay out your affiliate commission to people, choose the payment option payment, or you want to do with wire transfer, fill in their information, and then it works. Notification settings. When you receive notification set up, you want to change your password. These are all very, 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 very laid out in a way that anyone can really walk through it and get what you want very fast, right? If you want to add your physical product, come here and add your product, whether it's physical or digital product. Just come here, create a product, add product amount, and you want to set up other automations, blog, amazing. So this is basically a walkthrough. Like today's video was just focused on building out a lead funnel. It's very simple, straight to the point. But subsequently, I'll be going live to teach you more on how to build out things very fast on this platform. Very fast, like the lightning, right? But make sure, like I said earlier on, you upgrade your account. Upgrade your account to the startup pack. If you're having issues with upgrade, it's very simple. Once you log into your account, click on upgrade your account, click on change, it's loading up. And then fill in your informations, Joshua, this, and then your card details. And then you're up, boom. I've awarded to 24 $27 every month. Very, very easy and fast. No long stories to it. This is all you'll be getting once you upgrade. Look at it. Amazing. And guys, the amazing thing is that their support system is crazily amazing, fast and swift. You really don't want to, I don't need to tell you more about it. All right, so just hop onto it, take action, sign up if you've not signed up, upgrade your account, and then try to build out the funnel, and that'll be very great. All right, thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next video.